This is 12-volt solar charge controller, and this is the 10-watt solar panel. This is connected here, and that is blinking means charging. Solar charger controller. I want to show you now the voltage coming out from this USB. Switch on first the main switch, then switch on this one. Now our 12-volt, 5.45 volt is coming. I want to transfer on the other USB outlet, and there's the 5.45 volt coming. And now we will try the 12-volt lamp. There it is, lighting. The other one is off, and we will plug it on, and there the two light is on with this 2 years warranty, and we will put it inside the box. See the brightness. And there it is. Twelve volt, 5.5 and 5.5. Fit.